Imagine this. You're sipping rooftop cocktails in a glittering skyline that looks like Miami had a love child with Dubai. And 10 minutes later, you're in a crumbling colonial plaza watching a man walk an iguana on a leash. Welcome to Panama City, a place where billionaires bank in skyscrapers, sloths hang out in the suburbs, and the canal that changed the world. Charges ship six figures just to cut in line. Stick around, because we're diving deep into the city that might just blow your mind, and then politely charge you a toll to put it back together. Let's get one thing straight. Panama City is not what you think it is. Yes, it's in Central America. No, it's not a sleepy little village with hammocks and coconuts. This city slaps. Hard. You've got shiny high-rises built by international banking giants. You've got Casco Viejo, the old quarter, with Spanish ruins, rooftop bars, and murals that practically flirt with you. You've got the Cinta Costera, a seaside promenade where joggers, street food vendors, and pelicans coexist in cardio harmony. And if you think that's a lot, we haven't even gotten to the monkeys. Casco Viejo is where you come for cobblestone chaos, colonial churches, rooftop happy hours, and possibly a salsa band that appears out of nowhere. This is the soul of Panama City. Pastel buildings with peeling paint, local kids playing soccer at sunset, craft cocktail bars with menus longer than a Dostoevsky novel. Pro tip: watch the sunset from Tantalo Rooftop Bar while locals debate politics, and tourists pretend to know what ceviche actually is. You can't say you've done Panama City without a date with the Panama Canal. Go to the Miraflores locks and watch multi-million-dollar cargo ships pass through a system that's been operating since 1914 and still runs like clockwork. It's nerdy. It's jaw-dropping. It's capitalism at its most aquatic. And yes, you will leave Googling how to buy a container ship. And hey, if you're craving beaches where skyscrapers meet the sea, check out our guide to Panama's beaches next. From golden sands just outside Panama City to hidden Pacific and Caribbean gems, it's the perfect escape when the city buzz gets too loud. What other capital city lets you go hiking in a national park 10 minutes from downtown? Parque Natural Metropolitano is your rainforest fix. Sloths, toucans, howler monkeys, and skyline views that make it feel like the jungle's about to merge with the boardroom. Want something wilder? Head to Ancon Hill for the best panoramic view of the city, plus a bonus flag the size of a studio apartment. Panamanian food is criminally underrated. You've got ropa vieja, shredded beef stewed in magic, hojaldras, fried dough that will ruin all other breakfast carbs, and fresh seafood that could make Poseidon weep. Try Mercado de Mariscos for ceviche straight out of the sea, or head to Fonda for next-gen local cuisine that feels like your abuela got a Michelin star. Want the view without the financial trauma? Check out Hotel La Campana in Casco. Historic, chic, and walkable. Ballin' on a budget? Try Selena Casco Viejo. Part hostel, part co-working, part how do these people have abs and still drink so much? And if you want to pretend you're a crypto-millionaire for a night, Waldorf Astoria has your name written in marble. Panama City doesn't try to win you over. It challenges you. It's rich and raw, glamorous and gritty, a mashup of global finance and local street food. A city that makes you ask, what even is the vibe here? And then answers, all of them. You don't come here to relax. You come to feel alive, slightly confused, and maybe a little sunburnt. So, ready to fall in love with the city that built a canal and a personality to match? Hit subscribe for more wild, weird, wonderful guides. And if Panama just upgraded your travel list, let us know below. See you in Casco. I'll be the one trying to salsa with a churro in hand.